Debt doesn't just drain your wallet, it drains your energy, your future, and your freedom. But here's the truth most people never hear. It doesn't matter if you owe $5,000 or $50,000. Debt is not unbeatable. This is the debt-free blueprint, the strategy to break free and get your life back. Most people hide from debt. That's how it grows. List every single debt: credit cards, student loans, car notes, medical bills. Write down balance, interest rate, and minimum payment, because you can't fight an enemy you refuse to look at. There are two battle plans. Debt snowball. Pay off the smallest debt first, then roll momentum into the next. It builds motivation. Debt avalanche. Attack the debt with the highest interest rate first. It saves the most money long term. Pick your weapon. Snowball for emotion, avalanche for math. Either way, you win as long as you keep moving. To pay off debt fast, you need extra ammo. That means flipping items from thrift stores, gig apps like DoorDash or Instacart, freelance skills on Fiverr, even renting out unused space or tools. Every extra dollar is not just money, it's a weapon to kill debt faster. Most people bleed money without even noticing. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Cook instead of eating out. Call your internet or phone provider and negotiate lower rates. You'd be shocked. Families free up $300, $500 a month without even working extra hours. That's the money that accelerates your debt payoff. Once you know your strategy, set it on autopilot. Automate payments to the highest priority debt. That way, emotion doesn't decide. Discipline does. You'll watch balances fall, month after month. Automate the attack and let consistency win. Most people waste bonuses, refunds, or side hustle profits. Not you. You'll drop every windfall directly on the debt. $500 refund? Gone. $1,200 bonus? Gone. Old car you don't use? Sold and gone. Every lump sum is a knockout punch. Use windfalls as weapons. Don't let them disappear. One day you'll log in, and the number will be 0. No more interest stealing your future. No more waking up in panic. Just freedom. And here's the secret. Once you learn to destroy debt, you'll also know how to build wealth. Because the same discipline that kills $50,000 in debt can also grow $500,000 in investments. Debt doesn't define you, it's just a chapter. But freedom, that's your ending. So tell me in the comments, are you Team Avalanche or Team Snowball? And don't forget, subscribe to Gen Z Dollar. Because the only thing better than being debt-free is staying debt-free. And building wealth that lasts a lifetime.